Welcome to PNW Rush. Thought I'd give you an update that I found on my Bigfoot sounds video. I didn't notice this before, but I was taking a closer look at the photos that my trail camera takes before the video starts. So my camera is set up to take a couple of photos and then the video kicks in. And the first photo, you see a deer on the right hand side of the screen. Second photo, he's on the left hand side of the screen, so he's running. He's just kind of a blur. So I thought I would show you those two pictures and then I'll play you the video. So it's more context of why I think it's a Bigfoot sound. So here is the original video I recorded. Also, I did send this video to Bigfoot Fades. I'll leave a description to her channel up there. You got to check it out. She has lots of great interviews of locals in her area of Bigfoot sightings. But she did a little bit of research and found a chimpanzee alert sound on a video from a sanctuary here in the Northwest that sounded very similar. And I actually reached out to the sanctuary, sent them the video. It took them a few weeks to get back to me. They weren't sure if they wanted to open it because it was from someone they didn't know. But they did say it definitely was not a chimpanzee making that sound. They could see how I mistaken that for a chimpanzee sound, but they did not elaborate. But also I might have a future contact if I find more sounds that sound chimpanzee-like, and maybe they can elaborate a little bit more. But here is the comparison video and the chimpanzee video, so you can see how they kind of sound similar. Thanks for checking out my Bigfoot Sounds update, and have a great day.